Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about PM Modi inaugurates GPAI Summit 2023, Panasonic unveils Matter-enabled air conditioners, RIL and Walt Disney in advanced talk for merger, record funding for Gen AI startups in 2023 and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence GPAI Summit 2023. The summit, hosted in Bharat Mandapam from 12 to 14 December, focuses on AI advancements and innovation. Over 28 member countries along with the European Union, part of GPAI, participate in the event. PM Modi emphasizes AI's rapid progress, India's growth and AI applications in education, healthcare and agriculture. This summit includes sessions like the AI Expo with 150 startups and notable speakers like Ashwini Vaishnav, Rajiv Chandrasekhar and more. Next we have Panasonic introduces India's first Matter-enabled air conditioners powered by the Mir-Ally platform. Matter protocol aims to eliminate smart home industry fragmentation, ensuring compatibility across devices. The range, available from February 2024, integrates Matter for interoperability, reliability and security. Matter's IP-based networking protocol simplifies the smart home setups and enhances energy optimization and comfort. Panasonic's commitment to innovation is evident in its upgraded Mir-Ally platform, aligning with sustainability and user centricity. Reliance Industries Limited, RIL and Walt Disney Company engage in advanced talk for a potential merger in India's media and entertainment sector. The proposed strategy involves creating a subsidiary under RIL's Viacom 18, incorporating Star India via a stock swap. Reliance aims for a controlling interest of at least 51%, leaving Disney with a residual 49%. The deal involves a substantial cash component estimated between $1 to $1.5 billion, ensuring RIL's controlling stake. The merger outlines an equal representation board and an accelerated timeline for potential announcement by January end. The Vivo X100 series, which was officially launched in China recently, is reportedly set to launch in India in early January 2024. The global launch date for the flagship lineup has already been revealed, scheduled for 14 December 2023. Both the Vivo X100 and X100 Pro models are anticipated to be launched in the Indian market. The new series is expected to feature an exclusive camera mode called Sunshot, powered by AI. This feature is designed to enhance the capturing of sunrise and sunset moments, leveraging AI algorithms for improved depth and color accuracy. The Sunshot feature aims to utilize artificial intelligence to bring out the brilliance and details of the sun during specific lighting conditions. While the X100 and X100 Pro were announced in China, the global launch for these models is set for December 14, 2023. However, the release of the X100 Pro Plus model seems to be postponed for now. The introduction of the Sunshot feature indicates Vivo's focus on innovative camera capabilities, enhancing the overall photography experience for users. Gen AI startups raise a record $10 billion in 2023 amid a slowdown in overall startup funding termed Startup Winter. US-based Gen AI startups secured 75%, $16 billion of the funding, with contributions from Israel, Germany, France, the UK and China. Early stage startups constitute 40% of deal volumes, indicating significant first-time funding for Gen AI startups. Predictions suggest continued investment in Gen AI startups in 2024, driven by increasing funding, patenting activity and talent hiring. Notable startups include Servam AI from India and Cradle from the Netherlands. Next up we have iQOO 12 5G smartphone set to launch in India on 12th December with a YouTube live stream. Features include 3 years of software updates, 4 years of security patches and an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Triple rear camera unit, 16 megapixel selfie camera and a 5000 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging support. Chinese version specifications include a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, 1.5K resolution, 144 Hz variable refresh rate and up to 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. Expected pricing for variants Rs 52,999, 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB and rupees 57,999, 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB. At last, Beeper relaunches iMessage for Android app requiring users to have an Apple ID for sign-in and is now free to use. The Apple returns with core functionality despite Apple's initial block with changes and limitations. The relaunch follows criticism from Apple about security concerns with Beeper asserting its open source connection with iMessage. Despite limitations, Beeper aims to return to a paid subscription model after ensuring stable functionality. The company challenges Apple's doubts about security, emphasizing its open source approach and willingness to undergo security analysis. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to ITverse for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।